So let's take a look. So this is what occurred in 1972. That one doesn't look too much like a bull flag. Wonder why that got picked up. Most of them look like bull flags. This one doesn't. So what I have is a blank window, a window with the pattern in it, and then a training window, which shows you just what the image is. So I know I have a number of other stocks here, but that one looks like it really broke out. Well, that's what I got. That's my data set. I think there's some more stocks up here though. Got Facebook before it turned to Meta. This one's got everything. So looks like I just went through and built out a new pattern, which is the bull flag. While with Facebook, what I did was I took all the existing patterns, and here it found both broadening top and bottom in the window. Now I think it might need to be tuned a little bit because some of these, I don't know if they, well, you can see it double topped, and then you can see it inverse head and shoulders. So they seem to be kind of working. So there you go. You can inspect the patterns.